This is the video clip for the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. Statement 02. The present simple tense, we use it to talk about things that happens regularly. Means it happens every day, something that happens every day, something that always happens, usually happens, often happens, things that repeats itself. They are our habits or they are truth. For example, I always take the MRT to work. That's my habit. Every day I does it. I'm a teacher. That's the truth. It's my job right now. And I'm a man. That's also a truth. So it's a fact. It's true. So I use the simple present tense to talk about it. As for the present continuous tense, we use it to talk about an ongoing action, a long action, something that is happening right now. For example, I'm talking to you through the internet right now, so I'll use the present continuous tense for things they are doing at the moment of speaking. For the present simple tense, remember, if the person is third person singular, such as he, she, and it, the verb after it, we need to put an S. So for the present simple tense, we will say he eats, she sleeps. Third person singular pronouns, verb S. Remember these rules. For the present continuous tense, we have to use the be verb and verb ing. Be verb for the present continuous tense, there are three be verbs: am, are, and is. I am going, I am doing it, you are doing it, he is doing it. Now remember the formats for both tenses. Now we are going to go over the questions from number 1 to number 6. Before you do each question, remember to identify the time markers first, and then you will know what to do with the verb. Let's look at question number 1. Peter and Jane, classmates. Alright, now as you can see, there is no clear time marker for this sentence, but you know that it is about a fact. It is true. So Peter and Jane, they are in the same class. They are classmates. So this is the present simple tense. Peter and Jane, two people. So for that, we choose are as our be verb. Are classmates. Every morning they to school together. Now for this one, you can see the time marker is every morning. When you see every morning, you know it repeats itself. It happens every morning. So you have to use the present simple tense. Now look at the person of the sentence is they. It's not a third person singular pronoun. It's a third person plural pronoun. Means more than one. So we don't have to put S. We don't have to add S after the verb walk. Just write it down. Walk. So the answer for this is every morning they walk to school together. After school, they sometimes their bike by the river bank. Sorry, some kind of malfunction with the camera. Okay, now you can see clearly. Alright, for this one, the time marker, as you can see, is sometimes. They does it sometimes after school. So when you see sometimes, it also means repeats itself. It's a habit. So we have to use the present simple tense. So they sometimes ride their bikes by the river bank. Because the person is they, no need for S. The last one. Right now, they study in the English class. Sorry. Alright, now you can see clearly. Right now they study in the English class. Now, the time marker for this is right now. As you can see, when you see right now, it means it's an ongoing action. So, we have to use the present continuous tense. The answer for this is they are studying in the English class. Remember, for studying, words that end with Y, there's no need to drop Y for ing spelling. No need to drop Y, okay? So the answer for question number 1, Pete and Jane are classmates. Every morning, they walk to school together. After school, they sometimes ride their bikes by the riverbank. Right now, they are studying in English class. Question number 2. Every summer, Leo and his family, their grandparents in the USA. Now, for question number 2, the time marker of question number 2 is every summer. When you see every summer, you know it also repeats itself. Every summer, Leo and his family do it. So it's also present simple tense. It's about their habit. So the answer for this is visit. No S because we're talking about Leo and his family. There are more than one people involved. More than one person involved. So that's why we have to use visit. Next, Leo usually fun playing with his cousins in the US. Now look at this. You see the time marker, usually. When you see usually, it goes without saying that the sentence is actually a present simple tense sentence. So, for Leo, a third person singular pronoun, we have to change the verb to has. So the answer is, Leo usually has fun playing with his cousins in the US. Question number 2. Every summer, Leo and his family visit their grandparents in the US. Leo usually has fun playing with his cousins in the US. Question number 3. James usually a cold cereal for breakfast. Now you see the time marker is usually. James, third person singular pronoun. So the answer is present simple tense eats. James usually eats cold cereal for breakfast. But now he have a sandwich with milk. Now look at the time marker. The time marker is now, something happening right now, present continuous tense. He is having a sandwich with milk. So number 3, James usually eats cold cereal for breakfast, but now he is having sandwich with milk. Number 4, Ellison and Kate study for their exam now. The time marker of the sentence is now. So the answer for number 4, Ellison and Kate, they're 2 people. Be verb is are, studying, ing. Ellison and Kate are studying for their exam now. They always to the library. Now, time marker for this, time marker for this is always. Present simple tense. So the answer is, they always go to the library. And also, and is a conjunction that joins 2 sentences, so it's actually in the same tense. And 接了2个句子，这2个句子是同样的时态。So, and review. This is talking about they over here. So the answer is, they always go to the library and review their school subjects together on Saturdays. Number 4, Ellison and Kate are studying for their exam now. They always go to the library and review their school subjects together on Saturdays. Number 5. Peter on the track now. You see the time marker is now, present continuous tense. Peter is running. Remember double N. On the track now. He to exercise early in the morning every day. First, you see morning every day. Something he does every day in the morning, and he likes to do it. That's actually a fact. A statement of fact. 事实. So he, third person singular, likes to exercise early in the morning every day. Number 6, my father, the newspaper every morning. Now, when you see the time marker, every morning you know it's present simple tense. So my father, third person singular, reads the newspaper every morning, and my mother always delicious breakfast for us. Always, the time marker indicates the fact that this sentence is a present simple tense sentence. So the answer for this is makes, because my mother is a third person singular pronoun. Next one, and I up early in the morning all the time. Now the time marker is all the time. It happens always, all the time. So it's present simple tense too. I is not a third person singular pronoun. No need for S. I get up early in the morning all the time. Alright, so now I'm going to read from question number 1 to 6. Pete and Jane are classmates. Every morning they walk to school together. After school, they sometimes ride their bikes by the riverbank. Right now, they are studying in the English class. Every summer, Leo and his family visit their grandparents in the USA. Leo usually has fun playing with his cousins in the US. James usually eats cold cereal for breakfast, but now he is having a sandwich with milk. Ellison and Kate are studying for their exam now. They always go to the library and review their school subjects together on Saturdays. Peter is running on the track now. He likes to exercise early in the morning every day. My father reads the newspaper every morning, and my mother always makes delicious breakfast for us, and I get up early in the morning all the time. This is the end of the video clip for the present simple tense and the present continuous tense statement 02.